Hi there, this is Paige, who is Stamp Girl here on YouTube, and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm sharing with you the project that I made for the collab Crafting with Jill. I'm doing this with my friend Jill, who is Jill May Creations here on YouTube, and I'll leave a link down below in the description box for her channel. Each month we go in search of different packaging ideas for gift giving, and we search on Pinterest, on YouTube, on blogs, on the internet, wherever we can find some ideas. And we make them up and then we share them with each other and with all of you who drop in to watch. So for this month, I made a box. This was a tutorial I saw on YouTube from a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Her name is Wendy Cranford, and if I remember, excuse me, I will leave a link to her YouTube channel that shows how to make this box. It's really a nice size. It's 4 inches by 3 inches and 2 inches deep. And the lid is attached. Opens up like that, and there's a good amount of room inside. I know it's kind of dark. I used some authentique papers. I just pulled out my bin of fall papers and pulled out some patterns that I thought looked nice together and used them to decorate the top and the sides and back of the box. And then this is some copper trim from Stampin' Up! I don't think they sell this anymore. It's one of my favorites, so when I run out I'm going to be very sad. But anyway, that is my box. I'd like to thank you for joining me, and now I'm off to create.